being in the accident, and being immobilized for a long time. Being immobile 24 hours a day, laying or doing nothing, to being told that now I can start doing things and get my life back. The first time he put my neck in place, that was a huge trust in Dr. Anthony. And that was something that I had to just let it happen. Realize how much you having your body adjusted. You take away headaches. My headaches are almost gone. That's a big plus. It's doing me really good because I'm up moving more than I've done in 6 months.
Wow.
I'm actually losing weight, which is phenomenal. She's seen my attitude change. And this is honestly that she's telling me, because I'm feeling like moving. It's giving me more drive to want to do more. And that's huge, because the more you want to do, the more you find what you can do.